Hey y'all, it's Kiss. Welcome back. I'm excited to show you some things that you should try this summer. This is stuff that I've tried out for a good while already. That's why it's taken me a while to get this video together, because I wanted to give you a good description, a good review. I absolutely love everything here, and just can't wait to tell you about it all. So where do I want to start? I'll start with these. I had completely forgotten about Bodycology brand from Walmart, and I'd been using this super expensive shea and cocoa shave oil, and then I came across these, and I love both of them. They smell so good. So I apply these in the tub before I shave, and it makes my shaving go much smoother. If you have dry skin, this is great. I'd say if you have oilier skin, you might not want to use an oil, but for me this works so good because trying to shave with dry skin, sometimes you can get nicks and stuff. And so anyway, believe it or not, out of these two, I think I like the strawberry cheesecake better than the vanilla, even though I'm such a vanilla girl. But these are both so nice, and they smell yummy. I want to try more, so I want to see what other scents they have. Also, from Bodycology, I had forgotten how good their body cream is. I had tried a strawberry one a long time ago. I came across the s'mores, and I was like, oh, I have to try that. And it's really yummy. It's not a bad fake chocolate smell. It goes really well. It's not exactly like Bonfire Bash, but these go really well together. So it's that kind of scent. It's kind of a smoky, vanilla, chocolatey. I love it. And the cream feels really good too. It's not as greasy, but still at the same time, it does not take as much as some other creams would, I've noticed. So, and for what was it, $5 or $6 each, you can't beat it. And lots of times Bath and Body Works is really, really strong for me anyway, so I'm glad that I'm finding other brands that I'm enjoying as well. So I've been on the lookout for a good creamy body wash. I know Bath and Body Works has some, I've tried it, but I'd like to find something else if I can, because Bath and Body Works creamy body washes are kind of few and far between as far as what scents they offer. And so I love the way this one feels. It's not my favorite scent, but since it's vanilla, it does go with a lot of stuff. I just ordered this one straight from their website. I don't know if I've seen the creamy body washes in stores or not. So lots of times, to be sure I get the right thing, I go right to Native's website. I would like to see other scents. There are some other scents, but they're not vanilla. This is kind of, it kind of reminds me of how Dove will try to put vanilla in some of their stuff, and it smells like Dove, and it smells like vanilla, if you know what I mean. So it's a little musky or powdery, maybe. But I do love the way it feels. Okay, and I recently found these from Trader Joe's. This is the body butter. Even in summer, I've used this, and it's so nice. It's really creamy, but it's still not super heavy. I feel like maybe it's whipped a little bit, but it smells like Sharosa 62. So if you like that gourmand, nutty, caramelly, that's what this is. And then I also got the body scrub to go with it. I went back to my Trader Joe's just yesterday to try to find more, and it was all gone. And this was only like $6 a tub, so if you see it, grab it. Don't wait. I have to think that maybe this is made with sugar and salt. I haven't looked at the ingredients, but my pet peeve with a lot of body scrubs is that they have bits in there that won't dissolve, and then you end up sitting on grit in the tub, and I hate that feeling. But this dissolves very well. So that's the reason I like it. It has the same scent as this. It's a little oily, so it's a little moisturizing. That's good. And then before I bought that, I decided to make my own body scrub. So if you want to do the same, it's real reasonable. It's stuff that you already should have in your kitchen. And it ended up smelling kind of like honey. So all I did was I put the same equal parts of brown sugar, white sugar, and I put some vanilla extract and some oil. I used olive oil, but if you want to use olive oil, that's going to be pretty heavy. I would suggest light olive oil. Oh, I'm pouring it out. So busy running my mouth, I wasn't even paying attention to what's happening here. But anyway, I would suggest using a lighter oil than this because, you know, olive oil does have a scent. And at first it ended up smelling a little weird. But now that it's all settled in together, it just smells like honey. But if you don't want that olive oil smell, I would suggest maybe almond oil or coconut oil. Anyway, I got sugar on me now, so I'm gonna go rinse off. I'll be back. Anyway, I had used some of that on my hands before my video, and I think it makes them really nice. So what next? Before I forget about this is always gonna be a favorite. I don't get the cashmere scent in here. This is a very creamy vanilla. It's almost like a cookie vanilla scent. That's why I like it so much, and it feels really good. It's not too heavy. I'll use this anytime. It reminds me so much of Vanilla Bean Noel. So yeah, I don't know what else to say about this except I think it would be good with any vanilla scent anytime. And y'all have seen these so much, but I can't say enough about them, so that's why they're coming up again. This is the Maybelline Sun Kisser blush. I like this one because I can carry it with me anywhere. Since it's not a powder, I don't have to worry about it getting broken. You know, if I want to do my makeup while I'm riding. And it looks like it's very thick, but it's not. It's very sheer. It almost goes on like a shimmery gel. And you can blend it way out to where it's just a wash of color. And you can build on that, which I finally did the other day. I had discovered that you could do that, you know, if you wanted a little more vibrant. This is such a perfect summer blush because it's shimmery. It's so pink and fun. I'm looking for, okay, here's the color name right here. And this came from Ulta, I think. I ordered this straight from the Dior site. This is Lip Glow Balm. And y'all already know I could just do without everything else I have and use this solely if it was cheaper. But if you want to splurge on yourself, do it with this. It's super. And it has kind of a vanilla mint hint of a smell to it. Okay. Perfumes and stuff. Well, no, Kopari first. I've talked about Kopari a lot too. I have other Kopari products that I've tried, but I think these are my favorite. As you can see, I've already used this stick a lot on vacation. This was very handy to keep in my bag, and when we were in the car, I could feel the sun beating down on me, you know, when I was riding all day. And I've already got like some sunspots on me, and I'm not liking that. So this is a gel stick, and it has a little hint of glitter in it, so it looks really pretty on, and it's real easy to apply. I just rubbed it across my arms and the top of my legs while we were riding, and I didn't have to worry about making a mess or anything. So I love that. I ordered that straight from the Kopari site along with this. This is the face sunscreen, and it has a little bit of a glow to it. And it's a light oil, but it goes on dry. So unless you have really, really, really oily skin, I would say that you wouldn't even have to worry about how heavy this is. So yeah, always good to have a face sunscreen when you're out, especially in the summer. And yep, Kapari stuff always smells good too. I don't have to worry about it smelling weird like Copper Tone does or something like that. Two of my new favorite... Oh, I forgot one. There's another one that I need to add. I'll get that in a minute. Two of my new favorite scents for summer is the Fleur Vanilla Skin. This one smells like straight up vanilla. Maybe caramelly a little bit. Maybe a tiny bit musky. But I'm loving it. And I got a small one. I like getting small ones because that way I can carry them with me. And by the time I use it up, if I'm ready for something else, you know, I don't have a lot of it to go bad, or it's not as easy to get tired of, you know, if I use it up. And 7 Summers from Dime. These are both eau de toilette, so they're lighter. Eau de toilette means that it does not last as long. It's not a perfume. It has more alcohol in it, I think. This is very similar to this one. This came from, oh sorry, gosh. This came from Ulta. This one might be a little bit muskier maybe. I'm not sure what the notes are in here. And it didn't even come in a box. So I'm a little disappointed in Ulta's packaging lately, because my box came with some body oil that I had gotten and this and a couple other things. And it was just all thrown around in there. The oil was leaking all over everything else, leaking all into the box. It was a mess. So be aware of that when you order from Ulta. But they do still have good products. But this is kind of a sultry vanilla, but still light enough for summer. I know that's kind of vague, but not knowing exactly what the notes are, you know, that's about all I can tell you about that one. But if you are curious about it, I would love to look it up and let you know, because I do enjoy studying perfume notes anyway. And then my other one that I don't have with me, most of you have probably seen it already. It's the Versace Dylan Purple. It's a very complex perfume. It's fruity, it's a little musky, it's vanilla. It has some florals in it. Like, it's kind of like Angel in the fact that I don't smell one particular thing in it. It's very complex, and so much so that I don't even know what to pair with it. If any of you have used that, and tell me what you use it with, because I'm curious. I just need to try things, I guess. But that's another favorite of mine that I just don't have with me right now. So anyway, if you want to try any new products for summer, you know, to enjoy your body care, enjoy your self-care, if you want like a summer nighttime routine, these are definitely the way to go. Because if you love vanilla, you can't go wrong with any of this, and it's all just so yummy. And so anyway, if y'all have questions, just ask me. I love talking about skincare. And so, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again when I see you. Bye.